Good morning folks, and welcome to the latest video, Monday morning. So I hope everybody's had a great weekend. And so today's job is a series of jobs in one house, which is my bread and butter work. And so the first job is to change a kitchen mixer tap, and I should be fitting the channell, which is the one I always fit. I've fitted probably hundreds of these now, and so I'll take you through the process. So that's the water isolated, and we'll get the old tap off and assemble the new tap and get it in. So that's the old tap out, and so we'll install the new channell and get it piped up. Customer says there's a little bit of a leak under the sink, so we'll check that out and see if we can fix that for them. So yeah, we're making progress. Hello folks, so yeah, that's the kitchen mixer tap in. So now I've got this leak. So there's a waste system with a telescopic adjustment on it, so it's looking like the collar's missing, the collar seal is missing, so I'm going to take that out of another unit and effect a repair. So yeah, kitchen tap done. I'm just going to put a new seal in which I'll film that later. But I've got to drain the central heating now to change these column rad. This column rad valves are suspect have been leaking. Plumber had to be called out over a weekend. So drain the system and get these changed. Good morning folks, and welcome to a new video. Hope everybody's okay. So yeah, Britain is suffering from a rain festival, and it's impacting everyone, including me. So I have already lost work because of this protracted rain period. On Saturday I had to abandon a job re-roofing a shed with EPDM rubber, and because all the glue washed off after I applied it, and so I ended up having to just staple it in place at either end and tell the customer I'll be back next Saturday, when it was the first predicted rain-free day, because I needed some sunshine to make the glue tacky. Anyway, so I lost that one. I've also had to move jobs on because I've been working outside. Anyway, today I'm building a gate, bespoke gate, and blocking off this fella's garage to foxes stuff. He apparently he wants this gate building because his back garden is a motorway for foxes, so he says. So anyway, it's raining. I'm on my way there now, and I've realised that what I'm going to have to do is measure it all up and you know, go back to my workshop and make it undercover. Hopefully when I get back to install it, it'll either be stop raining or it'll be reduced rain. Anyway, yeah, this is trying to make a living around inclement weather. This is where climate change is impacting, because it was very rare that I used to get rained off. I mean, I might be rained off, you know, from mid-afternoon or something, and then I have to come back in the morning. But this is unprecedented. This, you know, for 2 weeks of non-stop rain. Yeah, so climate change denialists, up yours, basically. You know, it's happening. So anyway, get back to you soon. Hi folks, so this is the job. I'm out here in the rain, so the plan is to measure this up and get it assembled at home and come back at lunchtime and to install it. So this is the opening here. So 4x2 treated, 4x2 treated, and a gate in between, and then I've got to block these off, stop the foxes coming in. Okie doke, so back to you a bit later. Hopefully the rain will have gone off. Okay folks, so that's the stiles and the rails assembled. So 1800 tall, standard gate height, and then to get the width you subtract twice that width there, and then it's going on 4x2, so twice that width to get the right rail size, and hopefully get it, you know, within plus or minus 5 mil. So just going to run some batten around the inside now to create a rebate. So one homemade gate, not looking too bad. Right, let's take it on site and fit it. Hi folks, so yes, here we are on site, and just putting some battens onto the wall and mounting the hinges and getting the latch on. So yeah, update in a minute. So I've got the gate hung and the latching post on the wall. Take a bit of an angle off that one. So that's fitting nicely and looking mighty handsome. Okay, doke, so get the thumb latch on and the sliding bolt, and then that bit of it, this job's done. Then I've got to block up these both ends. So yeah, getting that. Okay folks, so that's job done. Garage blocked off from foxes and such, and similar sort of thing on the other side. And then we've got the gate sorted here. Sliding bolt and little handmade gate. Let's have a look at it this side. So there you go, pretty handsome gate. Good morning folks, and welcome to a new video. Managed to find a little gap in the rain to complete this job, so today's job is to try and repair these infill stays. A little bit rotten, so yeah, just making them look good. It's not a total and utter refurbishment, just making them look good in this rental property. So, and then we've got to replace these copers on the wall there. So we've got good passerby appeal. Okie doke, keep you updated. Okay folks, so that's job's done. Just repaired these, made them safe, done the best I can. I mean, they really need replacing, so made them secure, made them look aesthetically okay. And so on to rebedding the new coping stones. So that's the new coping stones put on the wall. Spruced it up a bit. I can honestly say I'd hated every second of doing that. It's not one of my fortes, but anyway, money's money. So yeah, okay, I'll catch you on the next job.